Hey guys, welcome back to Head Games Motorworks. Do you think your head might be junk? That isn't always the case. Take a look at this episode and we'll explain to you a few reasons why.
If you do a quick inspection on a cylinder head, you may notice that you have cracks around the spark plug hole. These hairline cracks can be found on any cylinder head, but you are more likely to spot them on a Subaru or a BMW cylinder head. It's easy to assume that any crack on a cylinder head is unacceptable. However, 9 times out of 10, the spark plug cracks are more of a cosmetic issue. We always recommend getting your head pressure tested to be 100% sure that the cracks won't be an issue. Cam caps are specific to the cylinder head. If you are missing the original cam caps to your cylinder head, don't throw it away. Cylinder heads and cam caps can be aligned bore honed to the proper specs to prevent you from having to purchase a new cylinder head. This is a service that we offer at Head Games. Before you make the decision to get your head aligned bore honed, check the cost of a new cylinder head. There are tons of brand new cylinder head cores that may be cheaper to replace than to get aligned bore honed. Studs have a mind of their own. Since cylinder heads see a lot of heat and are exposed to the elements, corroded studs often become stubborn to extract. 2J valve cover studs are known for breaking when trying to remove them. Same with Subaru EGR bolts. They often snap before you can even get them to move. Most studs can be removed by getting the head very hot and trying to slowly remove the stud with a stud extractor. If you can't get that stud to move, that doesn't mean it's stuck in there forever. Most people will try to drill out a broken stud, and that can create much larger issues. Here, at Head Games, we can extract the majority of studs by welding a nut to what is left of the stud. It might take a few tries, but it works. Don't be a ding-dong. Ship your head the right way. At Head Games, we have seen a lot of cylinder heads arrive so damaged that they're junk. However, most heads can be repaired. Here, you'll see some pictures of what repairable shipping damage might look like. You'll notice that these heads have cosmetic damage that can be grinded and smoothed out. If your cylinder head has pointy extremities, be sure to give those spots some extra TLC when putting them in a box. Some of these extremities are used to bolt on important things. If they break off, we can typically weld it back, but it will never be the same. Check out our multiple shipping videos to ensure that you avoid these issues and your head arrives safely. If you have a burnt or damaged valve seat, don't assume that your head is junk. Valve seats can be easily removed and replaced. This is another repair that you should check the cost of your core to see if the repairs will outweigh the cost of a new core. However, removing and installing a few valve seats isn't an expensive repair, and it could be the perfect time to upgrade to a better quality valve seat and components. Trust Head Games with your cylinder head repair. Unsure of what repairs your cylinder head needs? You can email us with pictures of the damage that you're unsure about, or you can ship your head to us and we'll do a thorough inspection to determine what repairs are needed.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed our video, don't forget to like and leave a comment below, and stay tuned for future episodes.